Yes.
Back up. You want it.
You want it, don't you? Go. Go for it.
Go, get it.
Come on, don't look at us.
Back up, back up, back up.
This is Smart Seagull. No, no, turn around.
Back up. Over towards you. Stay there. Don't move.
He's tentative. He doesn't know.
Don't move. He's walking. He's like 5 feet from your head.
Yeah, he's still alive.
We're gonna fucking kill him. He's like 2 feet. He's creeping forward. Just wait. Just wait.
Wait. Oh, no, come back.
He's walking away.
Wrong way.
He thinks you smell bad. He doesn't like you. Dude, I told you, it's a towel. He can sense it.
Let's get rid of the towel.
He wants a Taco Bell.
I told you. How many times did I have to tell you? Justin, shut up. It was my idea.
Justin.
They said
everyone loves Taco Bell.
You guys should have picked up the trash.
Everyone loves Taco Bell.
We told you to throw away the trash.
Stop breathing so hard.
Nobody move. This guy's gonna come over. On. Dun-dun. 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 Wait for the wind to stop. It's going out this way. Hey, go by the trash.
One up, one.
Yes. You want it. Come back, please. Oh, this guy's a champion right here. Yes, this guy's fully white. Purebred right here. Are you kidding? No. Pigeon.
No, here we go.
He's eyeing it.
Hey, 3. Wait. Now! Where's he going? He sees that one. Oh, he wants it.
Here we go.
He wants it.
Hey, watch out.
Don't move. Okay. He's coming closer. He sees you. He's sniffing you.
You smell terrible still. Unfortunately for him,
He's kind of looking at you.
I don't think he likes you.
It's too obvious.
He really is.
He can smell how bad.
Oh, wait.
He's like observing the situation. He's interested.
He's circling you.
He's not really looking at him.
Breathing.
Here we go.
Coming in for the kill. Wait. What again? You had him in the towel. You grab the towel and rope him up.
Yeah, Kev. I thought you were gonna kill him.
I know. I
saw the wing come up like that.
I thought you were gonna.
I think I fucked up with the camera. I don't know. Cause I saw another one fly in the other direction. I didn't realize the thing was still under it.
Like lower onto your belly button. Belly button?
Dude, that was our dinner.
Now we don't have dinner.
We're probably not gonna be able to eat tonight now.
Yeah, you guys already ate. Well, we didn't.
That was fun.
Again.
Oh yeah, true.
Again. He's already half there.
Shut up, Justin.
He's buried.
Get in there.
Hey.
Both of you. Justin,
hey. Oh, tag team. Justin, you hide here. And he hides there. And then when the pigeon comes over, he starts to catch him. You don't let him go out to the end. You like,
corner him. You gotta like rope him off or something. Like make a cage.
We need to put a leash around him right when we get him.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
You need a leash.
Lifeguards what?
Really? They're fucking laughing their ass off.
Oh, hey, you when someone threw something at you? Yes, that was a random dude. Like,
That
was so funny.
I didn't know it was that guy. I think it's like a lifeguard.
I like it.